everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do some basic kawaii makeup for beginners. As you can see, I have my Christmas tree up and it's super cute. So please remember to hit that subscribe button, have a happy holiday season, and enjoy this cute makeup tutorial. Let's get started. The first product I'm using is this alpaca. No, wrong. I'm actually going to be using foundation. I always just use this one. Too Faced Born This Way. It's really dirty. Sorry about that. Here's my mirror. Sorry it's in the way. Just kind of... because I need to see what I'm doing. So yeah. Squirty, squirty, squirt. And la la la. That is not helpful or explanatory at all. Squirty, squirty, squirt. And da la la la. Wow, I'm a great teacher. Okay, sorry about that. So basically, I'm just using a foundation that matches my skin color. Looks nice. And I'm just going to go ahead and use a beauty blender or beauty sponge. And you just blend her in. Yes. Beauty blender is a little squishy sponge. They're kind of overpriced, but they're really squishy. And obviously, that's why you spend so much money on the beauty blender, because it's squishy, right? Yeah. None of this is sponsored, by the way, friends. Just want to show you how to do a cute, basic, kawaii makeup look that I would love to wear out in public. So, yeah. I'm glad you guys liked my last video, cleaning my pony castle behind me, pony altar, whatever you want to call it. The key to makeup is to blend like it's nobody's business. Blend, blend, blend. That's the key to baking and the key to makeup, actually. When you make cupcakes and custard and things and cookies, mix, 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 blend, blend, blend. The better blended the ingredients or the better blended your foundation, the better it will look, or the better I guess it would taste. Basically, just take your time with things. You don't need to rush through them. And if you're new to makeup, remember when I was new to makeup and I was scared, I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, still, I don't know what I'm doing either. Yeah. Okie doke. So once your foundation is blended out, you're gonna go on a... Welcome to my channel. I am a goofball. So, once you're blended out your foundation, you're gonna want to move on to concealer. Just using this Too Faced one. And usually I see some people doing their eyes before they do their face makeup, which I probably should do, but I'm not going to. I already started on the face makeup, so shlabam shablam. Just like pretend you're a football player and then like make a little flowers and then like, yeah, like this. Just kind of put the concealer on under your eyes, making this kind of shape with your nose, I guess, and covering up your acne spots and blend that all out, like so. Time lapse, please. Now we are done with our squishy friend. Yay! That is not sanitary. Would not recommend throwing your beauty blender into your Christmas tree. But besides that, let me go get that real quick. Okay, I got him back. Just go ahead and put him away, because now we're going to be doing contour. I always use this basic contour kit. It's probably retired from Too Faced. It's covered with foundation, because it's a mess. But that's okay. So now, I'm just going to go ahead in with the medium cocoa and chisel out them cheekbones. Contouring is really confusing. So what I do is I just take the medium cocoa and I start by just going, I take a light amount and blending it upwards like this. I have no idea if this is right, but this is just what I do. And it's pretty basic. So that's the first thing you want to do. The second thing you want to do is go back into that medium cocoa, tap, 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 and kind of make this shape on your forehead. I'm really helpful, guys, aren't I? I'm acting like I know what I'm doing. And then tap, 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 tap. This shape under your cheekbones. Make sure everything's nice and blended. Okie dokes. Now my favorite part. This is how I do it. I take this eyebrow pencil. I don't do my eyebrows. I'm kind of stuck in the 80s. I know, most beauty gurus are like, I do my eyebrows with this brow put and stuff like that. I'm just like, yeah. So I use the eyebrow brush to contour my nose. Oh yeah, that looks good. This is like makeup for beginners by kind of a beginner. Kind of just an artist. But I know the kawaii stuff, so yeah. Now for every kawaii favorite thing in the whole wide world. Wow, I'm yelling. Okay. Blush. This is my peach. My Too Faced peach. Hello. I like to take this brush, kind of this shape. And I like to be generous. Most people wouldn't be generous with the blush, but if you're going for a subtle kawaii look, I like to be a little more generous with the blush. So yeah, I just like to make it really softly rosy, like so. And then it's time for the fun part, the eyeshadow. These are some of my basic, cheaper kawaii palettes. Is the NYX Ultimate Edit, the NYX I Love You So Mochi, just the NYX Ultimate palette, and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. But if you want more fun kawaii colorful palettes, a little more expensive, the Sugar Pill palette, and anything Lime Crime is really fun too. But today, since it's a simple one, we're going to be using the more affordable palettes. I usually always use this one. This has been my best friend for a long time. So I have used, which shade is it? This shade forever and ever and ever. So we are going to take my very dirty eyeshadow brush and we are going to dip into this purpley pink color. It's very basic. And do this motion. I learned that you're supposed to do eyeshadow like this by one of your comments. Thank you so much, friends, for your constructive criticism and helping me out. Just back and forth. And I like to go all the way up to the eyebrow because I'm that crazy and it's a kawaii look. So yeah. So then I'm going to take this I Love You So Mochi, this dark pink shade right here with the blending brush, because why the heck not? I'm so sorry, beauty gurus. I'm trying. You blend. And now for the fun part. Take a little bit of this pastel-y bluey color. And oh yes! Yes, 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 yes. 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 Okie dokes. Soft blue and pink. I think I'm done with the eyeshadow now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do... Wait, we're not done with the eyeshadow. Must add glitter. Oh, sheesh. Ah, sheesh. This is the Glitter Rock. Kind of a little rock star. Wah! Kind of a little rock star myself. The Urban Decay Glitter Rock eyeshadow in the shade... What? Is it just Glitter Rock? I guess it's Glitter Rock. That's the name of the... Yep. My other favorite glitter eyeshadow to use, it's a light purple, mixes well with pink and blues, is the My Little Pony ColourPop Sunbeam. So, now that we are a whole mood, I'm just gonna kind of get that blue a little more blended. And let's add some eyeliner. So I'm gonna try, this is what I normally do, but I'm gonna make it a little more kawaii. So just kind of follow along with the eyeliner. Eyeliner's really hard. It took me a lot of practice and I still haven't got it quite yet, but you just gotta keep on trying. I've just drawn a triangle on my eye. Here I am trying to do something different and I go and mess it up. Hold on, I can fix this. Is that kind of a mood or did I just really... I messed up this whole look. A beginner teaching beginner makeup, really. Frick! Okay, hold on. Wait. Is that kind of a mood? Now I just look like Twisted Sister. Wait, that's kind of a mood. No, it's not. Give me one moment while I go wipe this off and redo this whole eye. So we can try the eyeliner again. I'm sorry, friends. Well, that took a lot of effort. Okay, back to the eyeliner. I'm just gonna do it the normal way I did it. Instead of doing it all the way I looked up. Instead of, there's a feather. Okay, wow. Chaotic Kawaii-ness, welcome. So, I'm just gonna take my regular eyeliner and do what I usually do because that was a better idea than what I was trying to do. Take my white eyeliner. Kind of. I need new white eyeliner. This white eyeliner sucks. Oh well. Just like I need new mascara. You see, I just don't have a job. I'm a college student. There. Cute. Time to add some mascara. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Who is she? Who is she? Yeah, so just go ahead, put on some mascara. You just want to go up and up, 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 like so. Then, it's time for the fun parts. Highlighter, lip gloss, and blush. So I'm gonna, well, I already put on blush, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a blush. Let's do this highlighter. I've always used this highlighter. Kat Von D Metal Crush, they're getting rid of it. Oh well. I'll find a new highlighter I fall in love with. Anywhoosie. Gonna get this little pink peach. And I'm gonna start by taking, whoa, not kick my brushes off the vanity. That's a bad idea. So, I'm gonna start by taking the peach blush, dig, 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 and nose. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Metal Crush and go for the pink shade, of course. Nothing better than a pink highlighter. And highlight. Just by putting it on your upper cheekbones. And I am very generous with it because that's a kawaii look. I'm so cute, okay. Also very humble. Okay, now it's time for lips. This is my favorite basic kawaii lip gloss by Too Faced. This little, not lip gloss, lipstick. This little purple in Butterfly, peach Too Faced. And why not? Let's just add some glitter. Get out the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers. Ah! Everything's falling everywhere. Okay. The Lime Crime Diamond Crushers in the shade Fairy Acid. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Of course, this is really old too. I have no money. Okay, that's the best I could do with this expired lip gloss. But, yes! Anywhoosie, guys. Let's go to the outro. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this little kawaii look. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Well, I'm shaking the camera everywhere. Please remember to comment, like, subscribe to this chaotic, sweet, fun channel. And yeah, I will see you all later. Maybe someday I'll try false lashes. I still haven't got there yet. I'm kind of scared. Maybe someday I'll actually buy new makeup products, not use my expired ones. That's really bad and ugly. But yeah, I love you guys. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye! I'm gonna go make the thumbnail.